Hi, Assalamualaikum and good evening. This is our video presentation for Bioprocess and Design. Our project is about packed bioreactor. Here we introduce our group members.
Hi, may I ask you regarding production of ethanol? Sure. Let's start with the company information.
Our company name is Sackleaf Industries Sendirian Berhad. Sackleaf stands for Safe Culture Life and it was established since 2014. We produce bioethanol and our product and production is environmental friendly.
Sugar beet molasses is used as our raw material. Immobilization technique was used which encapsulate yeast in beets. And the advantage of immobilized technique is lower use of molasses. There are 4 usages of vertical pack bioreactor. There are several advantages of vertical pack bioreactor.
So, for the process involved, there are 6 processes which started with fermentation and end with condensation with several processes in between. So, let's go to the process equation. This is the process equation for production of ethanol. In production of ethanol, there are 3 process requirements, which are temperature, dilution rate, and medium.
Fermenter, centrifugation, and storage are the first 3 equipments used. Then followed by distillation, flash distillation, and condenser. In this bioethanol production, the process mode is batch operation. So here is the bioreactor design. These are the bioreactor design for lab scale and industrial scale. Here is the data used for scaling up from the lab scale to industrial scale, where the pH and temperature are constant for both scales.
Next, we go to one of the most important process in bioindustry, which is sterilization process. The function is to eliminate hazardous biological agents and bacteria. There are 2 types of dry heat sterilization, which are static air and forced air.
What is the advantages of dry heat sterilization? Some of the advantages are environmentally safe, inexpensive, and non-toxic. The only disadvantage of dry heat sterilization is time consuming.
So let's see the process flow diagram. The molasses is introduced in the packed bioreactor and after that it will move to centrifugation. It will go to the storage tank and then to the distillation. After that, it will move to the flash distillation and end with condensation. So, let's move to the Super Pro designer of bioethanol production. This is the overall PFD, started with fermentation, centrifugation, storage, batch distillation, flash, and condensation. Let's take a deeper look at each process, started with fermentation process. In fermentation process, there are three inlets, which are 300 kg of molasses, 500 kg of yeast, and around 7.9 million kg of water. Therefore, it produces emission and fermentation out, where the fermentation out is used in the next process, which is centrifugation process. From centrifugation process, we produce 1,568 kg of biomass and around 7,000 kg of ethanol. After the centrifugation process is done, the process is stored in the storage tank. After that, we will move to batch distillation, where saturated ethanol was separated from water. Then, 33.6% of ethanol was transferred to the flash distillation to purify the ethanol. 92.6% ethanol is produced. In order to get higher purity of ethanol, the condenser was used to get 95% of ethanol.
Here is the economic evaluation report for the bioethanol production. For the total capital investment is around $16 million and the operating cost is around $3 million per year. For the main revenue is around $4 million per year, and lastly, payback time is around 5 years.
Mass energy balance data obtained from the Super Pro designer. Here we attach the material cost for the bioethanol production.
There are waste left in my production. How should I recover it? Here is the diagram for biomass waste treatment. We also purified the water discharge. For carbon dioxide that emitted, we treat for further purification and distribute to food industry.